Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find a referral code on Temu. Join Temu Referral program. So let's get started. So here we are in Temu, and first things first is that you want to make sure you're logged in. So you want to tap on the U button on the middle bottom of your screen right there and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in right here, you want to tap on earn credits and free gifts, and then from here you should be seeing the refer and earn. As you can see here at the bottom, I have mine. But if you don't have this, then it is probably because of the country or region that you have set your settings into. So you want to look into that. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap here on the settings icon right here at the top right, and from here, as you can see, my country and region right here is currently New Zealand. So if you want to have the same options that I have in the in the event program, then you can choose New Zealand right here. So if you want to have mine, but I think United States would also do the same thing right here. So it would actually vary depending on your country or your region on what you are going to see here in the earn credits and free gifts. And also, time would also be a variable on that. So you might not see exactly the same things right here, even if you're in New Zealand right here. So you can tap here on the earn, refer and earn, tap on get now. And then from here, you can now participate right here. And you can just share the code. So let's just wait for this to finish. As you can see right here, and extra credit and so on, and invite new app user, and then you can tap here and copy code, and then just like that you now have your code from Temu. So that is basically it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.